Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, you can break out of a for loop by calling a function at any point within the loop. This can be useful when you want to exit the loop prematurely based on certain conditions or criteria. In this tutorial, we'll explain how to break out of a for loop by calling a function and provide code examples to illustrate the concept. Before you begin, make sure you have a basic understanding of Python programming. You should be familiar with the for loop and function definition in Python. To break out of a for loop using a function, you can use the return statement within the loop to exit the loop and the function. Here's the general process. Define a function that contains the for loop and the conditions for breaking out of the loop. Inside the loop, use if statements to check for the conditions that should trigger the exit. If the conditions are met, use the return statement to exit the function, which will also break out of the loop. If the conditions are not met, continue with the loop until it completes. Let's illustrate this concept with an example. Suppose you want to search for a specific element in a list, and when you find it, you want to exit the loop and the function. Here's how you can do it. In this example, we define a function called search_list that takes a list, my_list, and a target value, target, as its arguments. Inside the function, we use a for loop to iterate through the elements of the list. If the current item matches the target value, we use the return statement to exit the function, effectively breaking out of the loop. If the loop completes without finding the target value, a message is printed indicating that the item was not found in the list. When you run this code with target set to 5, the loop will break and the function will exit when it finds the target value, resulting in the following output. You can break out of a for loop by calling a function in Python using the return statement. This technique allows you to exit the loop and the function when certain conditions are met, providing you with control over the flow of your code. This can be particularly useful when you need to stop a loop early based on specific criteria. ChatGPT.